In only 17 hours, the greatest crypto event will take place. Yes, the Bitcoin halving is about to occur, and it will significantly impact all cryptocurrency markets, including Shiba Inu. You cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu in any way or if you own any Shib tokens. What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on April 19 before moving on to our issue. The price of a Shiba Inu is now about 22.85 units. During the last 24 hours, Shib's price has increased 4.1%, with $628 million worth of transactions taking place. The token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $13.4 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today now. Shibarium in Shiba Inus soars 160% as key metric stabilizes. In the last 24 hours, Shibarium, the blockchain solution from Shiba Inu, has increased by a remarkable 160%, indicating a notable improvement in key parameters. Data from the Shibarium scan indicates that transactions on the network increased dramatically throughout the studied time, from only 352,000 earlier in the day to an astounding 562,980. This upsurge comes after a recent decline in transaction volume, which occurred only 2 days ago and saw a 63.2% decline from its top of 958,500. Nonetheless, the most recent surge has restored Shibarium's standing, as daily transactions now exceed 500,000 once again. This has led to a staggering $415 million in completed transactions on Shibarium since its introduction in August 2023. Furthermore, we are able to mention an astounding 100,000 accounts, or 1.782 million addresses. With the exception of the quantity of daily transactions that cause noticeable disruptions in Shiba Inu's network on a daily basis, the performance of this blockchain's other metrics is more consistent. There are several ways to interpret the unusual activity on Shibarium, but one thing is for sure, there is interest in the project. At least in part because popular belief states that spikes in blockchain activity precede significant price changes in tokens associated with this cryptocurrency ecosystem. Against the background of this roller coaster ride at the Shibarium, it will be fascinating to observe what happens to Shib and Bone in the near future. We would much appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. Once again, it is completely free and really aids with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. A Shiba Inu team member has issued a major alarm requiring immediate action. There is a state of alertness among the Shiba Inu population. Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, has delivered an important warning in this respect. There are people in the crypto realm that are dishonest and want to take advantage of others. This warning emphasizes the need for monitoring and care among Shib holders and coincides with rising worries about the existence of rogue actors in the cryptocurrency market. Lucy addressed the Shiba Inu community via Twitter, saying, "Stand tall against the wolves in Shib's clothing." Like in real life, there are dishonest people lurking in the crypto space who want to take advantage of others for their own benefit. But worry not. Every con artist just feeds the flames, strengthening our resolve to create a more open and reliable environment. The Shib community is buzzing with activity as the team keeps coming up with new ideas and pushing the boundaries of what seems conceivable. This warning coincides with this energy. But innovation also increases the possibility of fraud and dishonest schemes designed to take advantage of gullible investors. These dishonest operators pose as genuine prospects in the SHIB ecosystem by using funny tokens and other misleading tactics. By repeatedly promising irrational gains or exclusive access to new features or tokens, they prey on the confidence of the community. An analogous warning is issued regarding impersonators/scammers who regularly create accounts to provide misleading information to create doubt, misdirect users to fake websites, or even obtain personal information that would be used maliciously. Shiba Army Scam Alert is an X handle dedicated to exposing scams and protecting the Shiba Inu community. Shib Army Scam warnings advise sheep holders to always make sure they are in contact with authorized individuals and to remember that no member of the Shib team would ever approach users via private messaging to ask for the synchronization of their wallets or personal data. Now for the major narrative of today's video. I estimates the price of a SHIB on April 20, 2024. As of right now in April 2024, the Shiba Inu has mostly stayed negative, trading at 2,200 units. This week, the cryptocurrency did not see the positive pressure that it experienced for the whole month of March. SHIB surged by around 280% in March, giving investors who started investing in January enormous returns. The price of the coin with a dog motif retraces after reaching a peak of 4,400 units. The excitement around SHIB has subsided this month, and the bullish mood is no longer valid. ShibBiz is trying the patience of its investors by reporting more losses than profits this week. Do you think you should buy cryptocurrencies right now as SHIB is now leaning towards the red end of the spectrum? I'll draw attention to my 2-day pricing projection for Shiba Inu. Leading on-chain analytics and price prediction company CoinCodex has given optimistic predictions for Shiba Inu in the days ahead. Based on the pricing projection, SHIB could achieve its goal of 2,352 units on April 20, 2024. That represents a gain of almost 5% from the current price of 2,200 units and a respectable profit in a span of 2 days. Therefore, if the forecast comes true, a $1,000 investment in Shiba Inus might potentially provide a $1,500 return. A 5% gain on your $1,000 investment may cause the portfolio to soar to $1,500. If the forecast comes true, that's a $500 profit in the following 2 days. However, the cryptocurrency market is very erratic and may cause investors to suffer enormous losses in both directions. The escalating crisis between Israel and Iran has caused a decline in the global stock market, and it is possible that cryptocurrencies could follow suit. It is presently recommended to do extensive study before accepting an employment at Shiba Inu. After the Bitcoin halving, SHIB can increase by 28,600% to 0.006. Shiba Inus had a respectable start to the year, reaching an early March peak of 2 years. But within the last 2 weeks, there has been a notable decline in the asset's value. SHIB is down 21% from the previous month, 16.45% from the weekly charts, and 16.6% from the 14-day charts. On the other hand, SHIB has increased 6.9% during the last day and has gained 98.7% since April 2023. SHIB could reverse the trend despite the current dip since Bitcoin's fourth halving is almost upon us. Following its 3 prior currency halvings in November 2012, July 2016, and May 2020, the price of Bitcoin has historically increased. This time, a lot of experts predict a similar trend. Following the halving of Bitcoin, how high can Shiba Inu go? When Bitcoin was last halved in May 2020, it was trading at around $8,500. By November 2021, the price of Bitcoin had increased by almost 711% and had surpassed $69,000. The rise in Bitcoin also benefited Shiba Inu. Within less than a year, the asset increased by 303,851%. Should Bitcoin have another 711% increase, it may surpass $500,000. In that case, SHIB would increase to around 0.65 if it increased by only 10% of what it did in 2021. The increase in price would correspond to a growth of almost 280,000. CoinCodex claims that Shib is about to see yet another enormous surge. On May 15, 2024, the platform predicts that Shib will reach 7741 units. By reaching 7741 units from where they are now, we would have grown by almost 242%. Although a 100% rally is not completely out of the question, it is unlikely that Bitcoin will see a 711% rally. As a result of Bitcoin reaching over $100,000, there will likely be a significant increase in interest in cryptocurrencies, which will greatly benefit easily accessible meme coins like Shiba Inu. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the true worth of Shib, many of our subscribers mention that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and that they now own millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your Shib holdings in the following comment box. Let's give the Shib Bureau credit for having faith in this procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.